I just came back from my first taco bar class and I burned, y'all. We got coffee from the Hive this morning, which I'm so excited about. So good. I was like ducking and stuff. Y'all, I was out here like really thinking I was a boxer. Olive Garden, the best salad dressing hands down. Don't argue with me about that. Okay, so let me just turn this off real quick so I can tell you guys. I just went to ClassPass for the first time. I mean, not ClassPass, I'm sorry. I went to Cycle Bar using ClassPass, which obviously I really enjoy. So I think I'm going to start doing that from now on. But I just came back from my first Cycle Bar class and I burned, y'all. Hold on. Let me just make sure I ended my workout because, yeah, I met every goal of mine today. I burned 250 calories that were active and 315 calories altogether from a 45-minute cycle class. Oh my God. First of all, it was a lot and I didn't know what I was doing at first. But then once you like catch on, it's actually kind of cool because you're like literally dancing on a bike, if that makes sense. I was not expecting that. I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't that. And then you have to put these shoes on. It was actually kind of fun. I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, so that was today. Tomorrow I have another class, which is going to be different. It's going to be Project Sculpt. So this is like my fitness productive vlog and my habits. I could share my habits with you as well because I have 5 daily habits that we started doing at my job and they're different habits that we do every day. And this car is literally right next to me. And part of my daily habits is to work out 3 times a week. So I have a job tracker to hold me accountable and y'all can hold me accountable too. And we could do the challenge together if y'all want, like, so it's not just me by myself. But like things I wouldn't, ooh, what am I pressing? Things I want to do every day. So I'm headed home, y'all, because I gotta go take a shower right now. I'm sweating and yeah, I'm about to go home and take a shower. So I'll see y'all when I get home. Bye. Good morning, beautiful people. So today it is Wednesday. I'm actually at work. This is gonna start the vlog for this week. I feel like I have so much stuff to do today, but I really don't even know what I have to do. And it's pretty dark in here because I don't have my light or anything. We got coffee from the Hive this morning, which I'm so excited about because I love this place. And yeah, I just wanted to come on the vlog. I'll probably be coming back later on. I have no idea. I forgot what this is called. This is like a strawberry something latte. So good. So good. So yeah, I just wanted to come on the vlog, say good morning to you guys, and get my day started. I have no clue what I'm even doing today, what's happening later, nothing. Is that better? Yeah, I don't know if that's better or worse. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. My voice sounds like a little raspy, but I don't know why. And these glasses, y'all, are from Target. They're so freaking cute. If I can find them, I'll link them down below for you. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. You guys, so I'm headed, about to, let me go this way. We are about to go to Cycle Bar, Project Sculpt Studio or something, or Project Studio Sculpt. I have no idea. I would just like to tell y'all today, it was nuts. Today was not that day. I'm over here editing, like trying to do my, what is it, thumbnail after work, but yeah, today was crazy. Let me show you my outfit real quick. I'm gonna turn you this way. Y'all can't really see me, but that is what my outfit looks like. It's the top and then some leggings. I put this on my cart before for Amazon, but we're about to get out of here and I will talk to y'all in a minute when we get to Project Studio, I think. Okay. Guys, what's happening? Oh, y'all, I don't even know why I just zoomed myself in. We are, I think, at Project Sculpt, if I'm not mistaken. I don't even know where it is compared to where I am right now, but it's somewhere close to here. Okay, so we are at the location for Project Sculpt. I don't really actually know where Project Sculpt is. I think it's on this side of the street because those are odd numbers. And it looks like the further you go down, I think the lower those numbers get. Y'all, I don't even know. But anyway, we are here and I think the class doesn't start for another 45 minutes. So I don't even know what I'm going to do. Honestly, I could go to Target, but I don't really want to leave because I found a parking space too. So I think I'm just going to wait here for the next 45 minutes and literally chill out. I don't want to do anything. I don't want to move anywhere. I don't want to lose this spot. So yeah, we're going to do that. And then I'll talk to y'all a little bit later. I'll let you know like the final results and how I feel about this class and everything. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Good morning, you guys. So today, I don't know why there's so much traffic today, but it's fine. I have my hair up in this like bun thingy. It doesn't look great from this angle, but that's fine. I'm headed into work. There's a ton of traffic, but I feel like I never came back yesterday and told y'all how Project Sculpt was, and I love it. So this one is different because it's like boxing, cardio, and like strength training, so 3 all together. And when I went there, I wasn't really sure like what to expect. I wonder if I could have went that way. Yeah, sorry, I'm trying to figure out because there's mad traffic. So yeah, I lost my train of thought now. So yeah, in Project Sculpt, there's like boxing, strength training, and cardio. So they have like different stations and they tell you what to do, and there's like a trainer that's basically there and showing you what to do at different stations. And that was the first time I ever been somewhere like that with boxing specifically. Like he taught me like how to jab, and then he taught me the 1-2, and then the 1-2-3. I was like ducking and stuff. Y'all, I was out here like really thinking I was a boxer, but it was so much fun. I was like, actually, out of all those things, my favorite thing to do yesterday was boxing. So I feel like I'm definitely going back. I have ClassPass, like I told you guys before, so that's like going to be part of my staple routine from now on. I'm just going to actually bring that as part of my routine and see how that goes, because I really, really did enjoy it. And my battery's going to die, so I got to charge it when I get to school. I think today we're going to do like a little hygiene shop at Target, and I have to do something else. I feel like I got to do, the 1K. I got to do my 1K giveaway stuff. So maybe I'll like, I don't even know. Maybe I'll go to Target, start buying some stuff for my 1K giveaway. I don't know. Or maybe I'll do that tomorrow. I'll figure that out. That'll probably be part of the weekend vlog, because I'm going to do like a 1K giveaway and a 1K photo shoot. But yeah, okay. I'll talk to you later because my battery is literally dying. Okay. Bye. Do I have any time left in this card? Maybe. Guys, it is Monday. I have my hair looking. Oh, actually, it doesn't look bad. Okay, because I was worried. I was worried that my hair was going to look crazy, but it doesn't. So I just uploaded my 1K video shoot, and I'm creating an Instagram reel with my pictures. And I could actually create a reel outside of my pictures, but I created an Instagram reel with my pictures, and I also created a TikTok. I created TikTok and a reel. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like. It's Tuesday, so day 3. It's not looking too bad, honestly. I'm very proud of myself because, y'all, I barely was holding on to this tail. I feel like I don't know how it's going to last me as long as I thought it was going to last me. So probably will get my hair done sooner than I thought. I wanted to get a ponytail, but I know a ponytail only lasts a week, and I need a style that's going to last me longer than a week. So I'm thinking maybe I'll just do flip over quick weave with maybe, I don't know if I want to do like a wavy style, because then I got to figure out like how to curl my hair, but it might not be too bad. I don't know. So for now, we're just going to have her hair back like this with the braids, and I'm going to leave it alone. So you're going to be seeing me like this. I had a pretty chill day today. Oh, today was a snow day, so happy Tuesday. It's a snow day. We're starting off the vlog right. Just finished doing a big shop, so it's like a weekly reset right now, and I'm just going to show you what I got. We got like a foot of snow, but this is the grocery haul. I got Brussels sprouts. I didn't realize, you know, they were going to be this large. A garden salad. I got 2 of these because I didn't know how big they were going to be. That was my bad. I got salmon, a big thing of salmon. Coffee, we literally ran out. I got this huge thing for the kids for snacks because the way that they eat chips, yeah. Big bars, we definitely needed some of those because we didn't have enough. We also got this turkey bacon. I got a million Go-Gurts, cucumbers, tomatoes, green beans. Didn't realize these were in gel, but they are like fruit. Olive Garden, the best style dressing, hands down. Don't argue with me about that. And eggs, like 24 eggs, bread. So usually what I do now is like we restock the pantry. So I'm gonna do that. You guys can kind of just watch me restock. I feel like I need my bigger, I don't know where my bigger one of these are. Give me a second, I'm gonna switch out my tripod. I don't know if you guys can really see this, but actually, let's switch this. feel like I have a few more things. Oh, I'm crooked. A few more things to restock, so give me a second. I feel like my son doesn't really eat these, but I'll restock it anyway. Okay, so I just finished restocking my pantry. I really just put some stuff back and not everything. I think tonight we're gonna have chicken with salad, so I'm gonna put the rest of this food away and I'll come back to you guys when I'm done.